Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog is mainly about the old apartment, and if you are following my vlogs, you might know that we were living in a different apartment few days back and we have recently moved to a new one. And tomorrow is 27th of Jan and we are going there to mainly clean that place, and also we have left few things there, so we will bring that here. I'll show you the apartment and I'm excited for that because the view from that apartment was so good. I still miss that place a lot. And also, we might go to a few friends' place to say goodbye to them in that city. So these are the things which we have planned for tomorrow. So I have decided to make food for us today itself because tomorrow we'll be starting early. So இப்போவே நான் வந்து கொஞ்சம் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி வச்சுட்டா நாளைக்கு we'll eat that for the lunch there. And நாளைக்கு ஈவினிங்க்கு இங்கே வந்து maybe we'll order something. So lunch at least we will sort it out now itself. And I'm planning to make one dish which my mom makes and which I like, and recently my husband, he also started to like that dish very much. So it's very basic, very simple also, and that's why I make it very regularly. It's called masala bhat. I'll show you how I prepare that and we'll see that in this vlog. Actually, we'll see that right now. Let's go. So for this dish, I add these vegetables. So I take potato, carrot, beans, onion and tomato. So I'll cut these right now. So I generally use basmati rice for this dish, but I don't have that right now. So I'll make it using the normal rice itself. இது போட்டால் எல்லா டிஷ்ஷும் செம்மையாக டேஸ்ட் பண்ணும். ஸோ நாட் ஸ்பான்சர்ட் கைஸ். ரைஸ் ஆட் பண்ணிட்டேன். 10-15 மினிட்ஸில் திரும்பி வந்து பார்ப்பேன். அண்ட் தென் அவ்வளோதான், ஈஸி பீஸி. ஸோ இட்ஸ் ரெடி நவ் அண்ட் வில் ஆட் த கொரியாண்டர். ஆக்சுவலி அந்த டிஷ்ஷில் நான் வந்து ஒன்று மறந்துட்டேன். நான் கேப்சிகமும் ஆட் பண்ணுவேன், இட் டேஸ்ட் பெட்டர். பட் என்கிட்ட இன்னைக்கு கேப்சிகம் இல்லாதனால ஐ ஜஸ்ட் மேட் இட் வித் வாட் எவர் ஐ ஹேட். யா, ஸோ தேட்ஸ் இட். இட் வாஸ் அ ஈஸி ப்ராசஸ். ஒன்லி வெஜிடபிள் கட்டிங்க்கு தான் கொஞ்சம் டைம் எடுக்கும், அதர்வைஸ் ரொம்ப ஈஸி. ஸோ தேட்ஸ் இட் ஃபார் டுடே. வில் ஹாவ் அவர் டின்னர் அண்ட் தென் நாளைக்கு when we go there I'll resume vlogging. So bye. Good morning, it's the next day and we are going to that place now. It's a sunny day today, which is like a rare scene these days. It's always cloudy, but today is a good day. We have reached our apartment. I'll show you from the outside. இங்கே தான் 7th ஃப்ளோரில் நாங்கள் இருந்தோம். let's go. நான் இப்போது லன்ச் ரீஹீட் பண்ணிட்டுருக்கேன் மைக்ரோவேவில். அண்ட் ஆஃப்டர் ஈட்டிங் வில் க்ளீன் த பிளேஸ். அண்ட் கொஞ்சம் திங்ஸ்லாம் இருக்குது, அதை ஃபஸ்ட்டு காரில் வச்சுட்டு தென் I'll come back and then show you the house tour. ஓகே, இந்த சேர் இப்போ டிஸ்மேண்டில் பண்ணிவிட்டு இந்த பாக்ஸில் வைக்கணும். இதெல்லாம் எடுத்துகிட்டு போகணும்.
5 hours later.
So finally it's time for home tour. And so this is the lift. When we come out of the left side home is our owner's house, and this is the home where we used to live. It's a 1 BHK. So let's go inside the house. As soon as we enter the house, on the left side there's this video intercom. Generally if anyone comes to deliver a parcel, so we can see them here and we can open the door for the main entrance. Now exactly opposite to the space we have a cabinet where you can see all the electrical stuff, the main for this apartment. So that's about this space. As we move on the left side now we have the toilet. Usually all the traditional Dutch houses, they have this kind of system where the toilet is placed very near to the main entrance. So yeah, that's about it. Now very opposite to this we have the huge mirror. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know this place. I usually shoot my photos here, used to shoot my photos here. And yeah, it is a very long mirror. Here we have space to keep our shoes, and we can sit on this while we are wearing the shoe. The next, it's a storage space. We used to have all the cleaning related stuff here, and also we used to hang our coats and jackets here. Opposite to that we have another storage space. That's about this cabinet. I hope you guys are understanding the map of this apartment. And as we move, we have our living room. We entered from here, and now we have our hall. I'll explain you each space separately. So starting with this couch, actually it's a very big and comfortable couch, and we used to watch shows and spend a lot of time here. And when someone used to come to our house, mostly his friends, one person used to sleep here and another one, we used to add one of these there and another person used to sleep there. So that's how we managed. And the view I was talking about, look at it, how good, right? Such a big window, sorry. Such a big window. And yeah, that's a very cool view. Inga ships and boats ellame poitirukkom. So let's move to the next space. There's this TV corner, and there's also this chair. So whenever I wanted to use my laptop, so I used to sit here, and mostly I used to sit on the couch, but sometimes I did use this space. Now coming to this space, actually I used to use this space as my puja place, and I used to have all the photos here of God, and I used to sit here on this couch and pray. So yeah, that's this space. Now coming to this corner, we can call it a reading couch because next to it we used to have all the books, and yeah, we can say that it's a reading couch. Yeah, and this is a very pretty corner. It added a lot of color to this whole room. So, yeah, that's about this hall. And now we enter the kitchen. Talking about this table right here, it's actually to have your food, but my husband used to have all his monitors and laptop, and he used to use this space as his office space. So, yeah, that's about this place, and this is the kitchen. There's a lot of storage space in here, a lot of cabinets to store a lot of stuff, and this is where I learned cooking. So, this place is so close to me, and this is the sink, the microwave, and stuff like these. And here we have the fridge. Yeah, it's a very small fridge, but it was enough for us to store a week's stuff. And here comes the washing machine, which was also enough for us because we were only two people. So yeah, that's about this space. This is space for the heating of the house and water, stuff like that. And yeah, that's about this space. Very cute kitchen. Now, after the kitchen, let's move to the bedroom. So, yeah, this was our bedroom, and yeah, there's this light. This is the only light in that room. This is a very big wardrobe. Actually, we can store a lot of stuff here, and yeah, and also this space I used to use it for my accessories. So, yeah, that's about the bedroom. Let's move to the bathroom. Oops, sorry. I'll enter again. So, this is our bathroom. These shelves we used to use it for keeping stuff, and there's also a cabinet to store things. This is a mirror, and this is the shower area. Yeah, that's the space. Now let's go out from the bedroom. Actually, there's a door from where we can enter the balcony. So, this is the door I was talking about. As we enter, there's this view again. We can watch the sunset, and in the summertime, we can have our coffee and evening time here. But in the winter, we cannot enter this space. We did click pictures here during Diwali, but we were dead in like 5 minutes of staying here. It's too cold here. This was our home for my home for 6 months, and my husband 2 year 3 months, something like that. So 2.3 years. So yeah. I feel I don't know. ஓ ரெஸ்டாரண்ட் வந்திருக்கோம், ரொம்ப பசிக்குது. We wanted to try this restaurant. It's called Atiti in Rotterdam, and it's very close to our apartment. So we went there. We ordered papdi chaat, pani puri, naan, kulcha, malai kofta, and also yummy desserts. It's the chef's special kesar rasmalai cake, and as usual we order our mango lassi. Everything was so yum. We came back just now and it was a tiring day. We did a lot of cleaning work and also some shifting. And as I said, we were going to meet a lot of people today, but by the time it was too late. But we did meet a few of our friends, Crystal and Pip. When I came to Netherlands last year, they welcomed me. Pip actually drew something for me. She made this. And I told Crystal about my YouTube channel, and she was like, send me the link. And we told her that we will send the link of this vlog, which I'm currently shooting, so that she can watch. And yeah, so that's about it. And I hope you guys liked our kutti apartment and also the view from that apartment. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll try to post regularly on this channel, and I'll meet you guys in my next one. Until then, bye.